following counties in California, Lassen, and Plumas. The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a flash flood warning for the Dixie-Burn Scar in southwestern Lassen County in Northern California, northwestern Plumas County in Northern California, until 10:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time.
Oh, no.
It's 4:32 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain over the Dixie-Burn Scar near Greenville. Radar estimates between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen along the ridges west and south of Greenville. Flooding is most likely along Round Valley Road, and near Round Valley Reservoir, the expected rainfall rate is 1 inch in 30 minutes. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Excessive rainfall over the warning area will cause mudslides near steep streams. The mudslide can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding in and around the Dixie-Burn Scar. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of areas in and around the Dixie-Burn Scar. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Chester, Almanor, Prattville, Lake Almanor West, Lake Almanor Country Club, Canyon Dam, East Shore, Caribou, Seneca, Belden, Twain, Paxton, Indian Falls, Bald Eagle Mountain, Tobin, Crescent Mills, Story, Ketty, and Greenville. This is a life-threatening situation. Heavy rainfall will cause extensive and severe flash flooding of creeks, streams, and ditches in the Dixie-Burn Scar. Severe debris flow.
Oh, 2 minute mark.